Have you ever found yourself struggling to get the height of a bottom navigation view in your Android app? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this problem together. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers have faced the same issue when trying to create a responsive design. You want to avoid hard-coding values, especially when guidelines suggest a specific height, like 56 density-independent pixels. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I get the height of the bottom navigation view programmatically?" They want to ensure their app adapts to different screen sizes and configurations. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So, why is this important? The bottom navigation view is a key component in many apps, and its height can vary based on the device and user settings. Understanding how to retrieve this value programmatically ensures your app looks great on any screen. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you manage dimensions in your Android projects even more effectively. To get the height of the bottom navigation view programmatically, the user should first understand that the height can be accessed through the resources. This is similar to how the user retrieves the status bar height. Next, the user can retrieve the height of the bottom navigation view by using the Get Resources method. This allows the user to get the dimension without hard-coding the value. Additionally, the user should ensure that the bottom navigation view is properly defined in the XML layout file. This will allow the height to be correctly referenced. Finally, the user can log the height to verify that it has been retrieved correctly. This can be done using log statements in the code. Fun fact: did you know that the bottom navigation view was introduced to help users navigate apps more easily? It's a small change that makes a big difference in user experience. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves retrieving the height of the bottom navigation view programmatically. They suggest using the Get Resources method to find the Design Bottom Navigation Height resource. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. Another user suggests an alternative method to get the height of the bottom navigation view programmatically. They recommend using the View Tree Observer, which allows you to retrieve the height after the view has been drawn. It's important to remove the listener once you have the height to avoid unnecessary updates. This can be done using the Remove on Global Layout Listener method. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always test your app on multiple devices and screen sizes. This will help you catch any layout issues early on and ensure a smooth user experience. And there you have it. You now know how to get the height of the bottom navigation view programmatically. Remember, adapting your app to different screens is crucial for user satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.